Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Kyoto. Today, we're going to be going to the Arashiyama bamboo forest. It's just starting to snow here at 1 p.m. February 13th, 2024. No, it's Valentine's, February 14th. Happy Valentine's. So let's get on over to the bamboo forest and hopefully we got a nice little snowstorm coming down. Today's mode of transportation is the city bus. Number 26 will take you all the way from Kyoto Center to Arashiyama Bamboo Forest. Quick 1 hour bus ride and we have arrived at the Arashiyama Forest. It's exactly what you would think it would be. It's a bamboo forest. Check out my chopstick holder, little panda wanda. I went with the chicken dumpling chicken soup and a Coca-Cola. But it's about 34 degrees outside. There's little snow flurries. It's really cool when you're in the bamboo forest because you can hear the winds going. But I need a full belly of ramen and then we'll get back into that forest and show you everything you need to see. Now that my belly is full with ramen and dumplings, it is time to get into that bamboo forest. One of the traditional experiences is to go ahead and hire somebody to drag you around in one of those carts. But I'm gonna take a little walk. Oh, look at this guy. Dang, look at his eyes. All right, the bamboo forest is just ahead on the left. Let's go. So as you walk in here, it's quite cool because you can hear the wind blowing, and it's actually been recognized by the top 100 soundscapes of Japan. And so if you just sit quietly, a train will interrupt your magical moment. So let's head over to the monkeys where we can supposedly feed monkeys. I don't know. We'll see. Let's go.
Yeah. I never mentioned it in the group chat.
There's tons of wagyu and udon and fried foods and tasty treats, frozen grapes and strawberries and mochis and matcha. There's matcha everywhere. But if you're gonna come out here, I would suggest coming a bit early because the town appears to be closing down about 4 or 5 p.m. and the last chance to get in and feed the monkeys is 4 p.m. So we're gonna try to get over there quickly and see if I can skirt the stakes, get in there and see the monkeys. Once you cross the bridge, you'll make a right, and there'll be signs and torii gates leading you to the monkey park. 800 yen, cash only. Get ready. $800 Arigato. We're looking at about a 20-minute hike to get up. Park's open until 4:30. All right, about 10 minutes in almost halfway, I think. It's really actually kind of cold. It's 34 degrees out, so it's not a bad hike, and I need it. Once you get to the top, there's an incredible view of Kyoto. There's also a little house where you can go in and you can feed them through the cage, but also they kind of bundle over here to the left and you can get really good pictures and videos. Looks like they're inspecting for ticks and fleas over there. Somebody's yelling back there. Oh, looks like we've got a scenario over here. Arashiyama Monkey Park, good. Arashiyama Bamboo Forest, good. Alright guys, wrapping up today's episode at Arashiyama. We went to the Arashiyama Bamboo Forest, which was pretty. And then we ended up going to the Arashiyama Monkey Park to see the monkeys. But there's also a massive overlook of Kyoto. And so if you want one of the best views in Kyoto, I would say Monkey Park all day. Just a quick 1 hour trip from Kyoto Station by the bus 26. Cost $1.50 and it goes by fast. There's tons of matcha, ramen, wagyu. I mean, there's an amount of food out here that you could eat for days. So do yourself a favor. If you're in Kyoto, come check out Arashiyama. Thanks.